Hi, this is my video explanation regarding cellular respiration and photosynthesis. The main ideas that I'm going to express in this video are how are cellular respiration and photosynthesis connected, whether each of these processes are catabolic or anabolic, how the reactants and products of these two processes relate to each other, and whether one of these processes can occur without the other. So first, I'm going to go into a general explanation of cellular respiration and then photosynthesis. What is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is the process by which organisms use oxygen to break down food molecules to get chemical energy for cell functions. It breaks sugar down into smaller molecules and uses a breaking down or catabolic pathway. Whereas photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. Essentially, it builds sugars out of smaller molecules using a building up or anabolic pathway. What is the difference between anabolic and catabolic? Anabolism and catabolism are the two broad classes of biochemical reactions that make up metabolism. Anabolism requires energy to grow and build. It is the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones. These chemical reactions require energy, whereas catabolism uses energy to break it down. It is the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones. These metabolic processes work together in all living organisms to do things like produce energy and repair cells. So how do cellular respiration and photosynthesis relate to each other? And can cellular respiration or photosynthesis occur without the other? Photosynthesis converts carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. Photosynthesis makes the glucose that is used in cellular respiration to make ATP. Glucose is used as food by the plant, and oxygen is a byproduct. Whereas cellular respiration converts oxygen and glucose into water and carbon dioxide. The glucose is then turned back into carbon dioxide, which is used in photosynthesis. While water is broken down to form oxygen during photosynthesis, in cellular respiration, oxygen is combined with hydrogen to form water. The process of cellular respiration and photosynthesis complement each other. It is a continuous cycle, and each process needs the other. Thank you for watching, and that's all for this presentation.